Now, ladies and gents, I know as I'm doing this video, many of the Chinese equities in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange did not end the day very well. And so many people, including myself, I was expecting the markets to react positive today because of what we saw the finance minister announcing of the $325 billion of stimulus on Saturday. But the markets did not perform the way they are performing. But we are still seeing analysts coming and throwing or becoming so bullish onto the Chinese economy. I mean, as I'm doing this video, Goldman Sachs just came and increased their GDP forecast for Q4 in China from 4.7 to 4.9, which is something that shows you that we need to brace ourselves for what's coming. I mean, the China Securities also just released some good article indicating that the second wave is about to start, where we see Chinese equities surging in terms of the share price, which again, this just shows you that we need to brace ourselves for what's coming. So big financial institutions continue to be bullish. Big financial institutions continue to see massive gains coming onto Chinese equities, which is why seeing companies like, or big financial institutions like Goldman Sachs adjusting their GDP forecast, it is something that is just so incredible. Something that tells you that we need to brace ourselves. We need to take the low trading prices opportunities to load the boat. I am happy. I am excited, and I know that though we might not be getting what we want in terms of the share price, blue sky is still coming. Though the Nio stock price might not be trading where we want, blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds, loading the boat, will definitely be rewarded. Big financial institutions, most of them have started loading, which is why we've been seeing the volumes onto Nio on a daily basis during the trading sessions, be in most days trading above average, which is something that is just so massive, and it tells you what we can expect coming from Chinese equities like Nio. So Goldman Sachs just uttered a positive statement onto China, and this shows you of what they see, or these big financial institutions see onto China. I mean, it is not the first time. It is expected, because over and above the stimulus that China announced over the weekend, these companies are doing exceptionally well. Chinese equities are performing quite well. I mean, when you look into our favorite stocks like Nio, or into the fast growing EV space, where Nio is one of the companies there, all these companies, XPeng, Liodo, Nio, some of them recorded record-breaking monthly deliveries, and some, like Nio, reported record-breaking quarterly deliveries, which shows you the momentum, which shows you the growth that we are seeing into China. It is for this reason that we are seeing big financial institutions becoming bullish into China, big financial institutions reiterating buy ratings with good price targets. I mean, Citi last week, I think on Friday, came out and reiterated or increased their price target onto the HK share price on Nio, or Hong Kong stock price of Nio, I think from 43 to 58 HK, which shows you the confidence that they are starting to see onto our favorite stock Nio. So blue sky is coming. Ignore the day-to-day movements. If it happens that we open today on a red and Nio stock price tanks, I think it is a good day that we just load the boat and we stop complaining with checking the day-to-day movement, but focus on where Nio could be. I mean, China Securities, like I said, also issued a statement saying that we should be ready. We must brace ourselves for what's coming. And adding all these, or adding what they said with all the other big financial institutions, or what other big financial institutions are saying, I think you and me can agree a one-to-one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering will definitely be rewarded. Our time is coming, guys. Ignore the day-to-day movements. Focus on when you could be in the long term, and I think you will have a peaceful sleep. You will not panic, but rather take the down days so that we see the Nio stock price as opportunity to scoop the boat, to load the boat, to increase your holdings, to bring your average purchase share price down. That is what I've been doing from $36, an average of over $36, to now an average of around $17. It's because I've been loading the boat wherever I can, and I'm going to continue loading the boat as long as the stock price of Nio is still this low. I'm definitely going to continue piling, because I know what I'm buying and I know where Nio could be in the future. So do your own due diligence. I'm not saying do this. What you do with your money, it's up to you. Whether you are buying, selling, increasing your holdings onto Nio, that is up to you. But as for me, and some of the investors, we are definitely going to load the boat, increase our holdings, because we know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. So do your own due diligence. Tell me what you think about this. I think these are massive news, and the more we see big financial institutions coming and becoming bullish onto China and companies like Nio, it's just a motivation on us, the retail investors, to probably load the boat, increase our holdings, because even the big guns are very positive onto Chinese equities like Nio. And therefore, who are you as the retail investor who would want to go against what majority or quite number of people are saying about these stocks? Quite number of people are saying about Nio. So yeah, man, just thought I'd just give you this quick update and tell me what you think about this. I think I'm gonna be loading again today if we open on a red. That's what I'm going to do, because I know, like I said, what I'm buying. So don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because this channel here, it's all about Nio. I talk about Nio all the day, every day, and those that have been with me on this channel, on this journey of Nio, you will definitely attest to that. I give you videos of latest updates, latest developments, and therefore, if you are a Nio follower, or you want to invest onto Nio, or you want to get updated on what's happening around Nio, being it the latest news coming from Nio, or latest news that have or that might have a positive impact onto Nio, then hit that subscribe button, because then this channel is for you. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell. Liking, I really appreciate, because it helps me, of course, or it gives me the motivation to continue doing more, to continue pushing these videos and giving them to you guys. So yeah, man, blue sky is coming. I remain bullish, I remain long and strong. That's all from me, and God bless you all.